Okay, today we're going to start our daily language review. That's what I call this sheet. And we only have numbers 1 through 5 for day 1. If you look right here in the corner, it says day 1. Okay, so number 1 says use editing marks to correct the sentences, rewrite the sentence. So right now, while you watch me teach number 1, I want your pencils down and I just want you to watch. Okay, I'm going to do number 1 and then you can pause it and you can do number 1 and 2. Okay, but for right now, I want pencils down and eyes on the paper, okay? So the editing marks I want to show you right now is underlining. So when we are capitalizing something at the beginning of a sentence, if you look here, the word did, they did not capitalize the D in did, which every sentence needs to start with a capital letter. So I'm going to underline the D with 3 lines. And that tells me that I need to capitalize the D. Then I'm going to look at the rest of the sentence. Did you like the movie? Okay, so there's 3 different end marks we can use. There's a period, there's a question mark, and there is an exclamation. So a period we would use for a statement if I was telling you something or commanding you to do something. A question is if I'm asking you a question, and an exclamation mark is if I'm excited about something. Okay, so let's think. Did you like the movie? Am I telling you something? Am I asking you something? Or am I excited about something? I am asking you something. Good job. So did you like the movie? So I have to put a question mark at the end of my sentence and I'm going to circle it. Then remember, it asked me to rewrite the sentence after the editing marks. So I'm going to rewrite it right now and I'm going to put the capital D because I corrected that. Did you like the movie? When I'm all done with the sentence, I got to make sure that I made my corrections. Did I start with a capital? Did I end with an end mark? And I did. So I got number 1 done. So you can go ahead and pause it, and I want you to copy number 1, and I want you to do number 2. Remember, we're looking for capitalizing, so we have to underline 3 times, and we're putting end marks. We like to play games. Go ahead, pause. Okay, so number 2, we should have underlined the W. Make sure you did that. Check your paper. And we like to play games is telling me something, so I'm going to use the period because it's a statement. And I'm going to circle it. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite it. You should already have all this on your paper. We like to play games. Period. Okay? Okay, number 3. Add S or ES to the words below. ES is added to words that end in S, Z, X, SH, or CH. Okay, so if it ends with one of those, we're going to add an ES. If it doesn't end, we're just going to add the plain S. Okay, so I'm going to do these 2, and then I'm going to give you a second to finish those 2, okay? So I'm going to look at desk. Does desk end with S, Z, X, SH, or CH? It doesn't, so I just add S. Good job. Okay, dish. I see something at the end of dish. Good, I see the SH, so I'm going to circle the SH, so it reminds me that since there's an SH, I have to add ES, like it told me, ES. Okay, I'm going to give you a second, and I want you to think about what's at the end of tree and what's at the end of peach. Go ahead. Okay, so tree, I'm only adding an S, right? Because it doesn't have any of my special endings. But peach has, yep, the CH. Good job. I hope you all circled it. And then you added the ES, just like it. So let's read these words. You're going to echo. Desks, dishes, trees, peaches. Good job. And that means that there's all more than one. There's more than one desk, more than one dish, more than one tree, and more than one peach. Okay, let's get number 4. It says underline the inflection endings S, ES, ED, or ING in the words below. So we're underlining the ending of the words. Okay, I've got to have one of these letters in them. So books, what am I underlining? The S. Good job. Foxes, what am I underlining? The ES. Good job. Jumping. Jumping. Where's the ending? Good. Ing. And worked. What am I adding? What am I underlining in worked? Good job. Okay, number 5. Is the following sentence a question or a statement? So I'm going to put a question mark right here just so we remember what a question ends with, and a statement ends with a period. Circle the correct one. It looks like let me read it again. It looks like it is going to rain. Okay, so am I telling you something or am I asking you something? I am telling you something. Good job. Okay, pause it if you need to get everything on your paper like mine.